As a creator of the TrueBrow system, what I really wanted to do was offer every woman the opportunity to have her natural brow restored.
I haven't touched my eyebrows for over a year. Completely changed my face shape. I feel amazing.
One of the biggest myths in the beauty industry is that a woman's brows don't grow back. TrueBrow specialists around the world are proving that to be wrong, time and time again, day after day. The TrueBrow system does so many things to a woman's eyebrow. One of the most important things is it actually gives her the real assessment of her brow.
A TrueBrow specialist is a highly trained beauty professional who specialises in natural brow restoration and design.
We don't use stencils, we don't use rulers, because we like to work with your own individual brow.
If you saw me before, my left eyebrow was destroyed and I've come here today to restore it. I'm absolutely happy.
Basically, I had one eyebrow that was quite rounded and one that was quite arched, so now that they're perfectly even, it's amazing, yeah.
What I wanted to give you with the TrueBrow collection is instant fullness that looks so soft, so natural and so beautiful.
What I like about the TrueBrow collection, it looks natural.
I really like it. It's nice and gentle, so I don't feel like I've got eyebrows that look fake or look false. They look like they're my eyebrows.
What I like about the TrueBrow collection is that it just gives you that really immaculate kind of looking brow.
It really does give women back the control she needs every single day to have the brows that she wants to have.